생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 쇼핑몰에서 물건을 환불하거나 교환할 때
Hi, I'd like to ask about your refund policy.
Sure. We accept refunds and exchanges within 7 days.
What's the exact return policy?
Items must be unused and in good condition.
Do I need a receipt or anything?
You need a proof of purchase, like a digital or printed receipt.
I still have the tag and everything it came with.
That's perfect. Can I scan the barcode?
Yes, here you go.
The transaction was made yesterday, so it's still valid.
I'd prefer an exchange, not a refund.
That's totally fine. What would you like to exchange it for?
Same model, but in a different color.
Got it. I'll process the exchange right away.